so close.
That's sick, bro.
Oh, look at it. There's another one coming right there.
Yo.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
Oh, they're both upside down.
Oh.
He's still upside down.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Carl. This is Joe. We're here at the Cleveland Air Show, checking something off our Browns Buckeye list.
Right now, we're about to go head over, talk to the two pilots who are going to do the flyover for our first home opener against the Baltimore Ravens. Let's go.
They're not made for your size.
Get a good.
Where's the eject?
We don't eject.
Darn it.
We're either jumping or we're going down.
Yeah, we're going.
That's when I eject him, that's all.
I got to unalign the IOUs.
Yeah, unline the IOUs. Joe, we got to go around this. There's some storms, you know.
Yeah.
So this is the pilot. That's co-pilot, right?
No, this is the pilot. That's
No, this is pilot. That's co-pilot.
It could be either, because unlike most planes, you can actually do everything
From
either
both.
seat.
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
you guys want to stick your head out the top of the plane?
That's a thing?
It's right here.
Oh, sure.
He's a filmmaker. Hair's long. Look at that.
Joe, we look awful. We gotta take a better one.
My hair is
I
like.
feel like we should all right. It's not good lighting because the sun's coming from this way.
Yeah.
We're all gonna get a picture together.
Like we like each other.
Just want to thank the Dayton Air Reserves and the Mansfield National Guard for hosting us today. We had a great time. We're really looking forward to them flying over for our first home game. Go Browns.